What's up, guys? Welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. Today we're coming at you with my personal truck. It's an '05 F250 crew cab long bed, and we're going to be installing this Tiger bed cover. Alright, we just unboxed it just to see what it looks like. It comes in this nice case. Let's jump right to it. For this install, we shouldn't be needing any tools. I don't have any special bed rails in here, so this should be a very simple install, guys. Let's jump right in and get this uncovered. Alright, so guys, one thing we'll say about all bed covers, whenever you see the latches, this is going to be the back of the bed cover. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this fitted up onto the bed. Once you got it sat down just like that, let's go ahead and unlatch it. Now it's unlatched, we're going to go ahead and fold it out. This comes packed very nicely with all these nice little foam to protect it.
Looks well built.
Send it over one more time. Yep. Should go straight down. Alright. Looks like it's been packed up a little bit. Okay. Alrighty, guys, so now we got this all folded out. We see that it is the appropriate length for the bed. That's really what we're testing. Alright, we're going to fold it back up and we're going to go ahead and get the front secure. For this part, you will want to get into the back of your truck. Just give me 1 second. Let me climb up here. Alright. Just slide my box over. I just took this box out so that I could put this cover on. Let's see what we got here, guys. Alright. So, we have these nice and secured in here. Let's get this unpacked. So for this install, guys, like I mentioned earlier, there's nothing special on my bed, so we're not going to need any of these extra brackets here. Actually, it came only with the brackets I needed, so this is beautiful. Very well prepared. Alright, so let's go ahead and let this down. This is going to be our main hold down, and this is going to be our safety. Let's go ahead and slide that down there. There we go. Alright, can you get up in there, Rich? See that? So all you're going to do is you're going to spin this knob to the left so that it adjusts for your channel. Actually, it looks like we're going to have to move these boys. Who's yours at? Oh, your side's not lined up. That's why my side's not lined up.
I was switching mine up right now.
Okay.
Want to switch it over?
Yeah, can you slide it over a little bit? Let's see if we have to move this or not. Let's lift it up and film that. Guys, in this one here, you see you're going to have 3 different levels to go ahead and move this this hinge on. So if you did need to adjust it, it looks like we don't need to adjust it, so we should not have to move it. Alright, these are all things to take into account when you're installing this unit. Just waiting on you to get it down. You guys, it is a really good idea to always make sure and have a hand when putting these on, because you do need to make sure that they're even on both sides. Okay, so you see we're coming down.
You left on their side?
No, it looks like I'm a little bit far.
You can go. You go. Push you. Go ahead.
A little bit more. Yep, that's about it right there. How are you looking?
I'm in. I'm lying.
All Right, perfect. So you see now we're both have a nice comfortable grasp on it. You're gonna lift this metal bracket up so that you can now twine this nice and easy. So you're gonna hold that up like that. Righty tighty, lefty loosey as always, guys. And we're going to the right with this one because we want to tighten it up. Okay, now that we got that off, let's go ahead and just tighten this boy here. So this is, guys, I'm gonna just say this is like a safety for it, just to make sure that you keep tension. So I'm just gonna set this right here and give it a nice little tighten. And we'll make sure that this thing stays on there good and tight. Oh, beautiful. So now the back of our cover is installed. And we're ready to flip this thing out and see how it looks on the back of the truck. Oh, go ahead and climb out of here. All right, all right, so now we're gonna flip our cover back out. 1, 2. This thing fits nice and tight, guys. So now, this back mount is a lot easier because they know that you're gonna always try to be open the back of it. So we're just gonna pull this out, just like that. And you see this one is more of a tension mount, just like that. So now when you let it down, just pull it straight down, Marcus. Yep. When you let it down now, you see you have to adjust this mount here so that it fits under here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unwind this to the left a little bit. Once you get it right about there, you see we're gonna still have some tension on there. We'll go down right there. You just pull it down a little bit, and then now we're gonna tension it. And that's it, guys. Your mount is done. Just getting the other side finished. See, this thing fits nice and tight. That should be good. Just push it on the top of the cover. There you go. See, guys, you want to have a little bit of tension in there. You want it to be nice and tight when you go ahead and secure that. Let's go ahead and give this tailgate a close, guys, and we'll see how we did. See, we got a little bit there. Beautiful. So we're probably going to go in here and we're going to adjust the tension a little bit on there. See how the tailgate didn't close exactly smooth? I wonder if that's just how this cover is. Let's go in here and see if we can loosen these a bit. Marcus, we could send this down a little bit. Maybe it's too much tension on there. So we're going to go to the left again. We're going to come down a little bit so it doesn't fit so tight. I'm going the wrong way, guys. See how easy that is? So I'm always a stickler for righty tighty, lefty loosey. Go a little bit looser. See. Alright, so now we got there. See, that's too loose now. See, guys, you're not holding anything on there. You want this boy to be nice and tight. So let's go ahead and send that up a little bit more. Let's see, it looks like our friend Marcus over there has it nice and tight. That should be good there. Let's go ahead and get this tailgate closed again. Look at that, guys. Nice and closed. You didn't get anything. They do send weather stripping with this, so we're gonna go ahead and probably see if we have some pieces to go in these corners here, just to keep it nice and tight. But man, look at that. What a difference it makes on the truck when you put the covers on it. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.